So let's talk technology 2024. I think one technology that's going to shine in 2024, the easy answer has to be GPT and AI. So if you look at the launch from November 30th, 2022, so almost a year ago, GPT has absolutely dominated the scene. We're seeing this massive increase of what I call the Cambrian explosion of technology, which really means plugins, adapters, APIs, all about pulling more data together and really making key decisions. It's going to be disruptive to every organization, every enterprise, and especially engineering. Yeah, I think if there's really one impactful technology for 2024, it's really a series of technologies that are coming together to drive digital threads and digital twins. If you think about the space there and really being able to model the physical and the digital world and influence the physical world with the digital world, you're going to see this massive convergence in that space. We're seeing it with smart buildings, we're seeing it with smart cities, we're seeing it with smart cars. Every organization that we work with is really starting to think about their digital twins, which starts with the digital thread and understanding the flow of data through their enterprise. That's going to be massive in 2024. The duds for 2024, this is always the fun part, isn't it? So, listen, I think quantum is still highly overrated. I don't think, we're there with quantum, though it's getting a lot of buzz. A lot of people are putting some big bets on quantum, whether it's from the cybersecurity standpoint. I don't think it's there yet. Metaverse was really the big technology from last year. It's clearly been a dud. It was clearly offset by the rise of GPT. But I think there is some good things on the metaverse side. It's just quieter. And especially in manufacturing and engineering, I think we're still going to see that experience. But the dud is clearly going to be the metaverse, how we think about interacting as avatars in space and everything. That's just not where the market is. So the duds, I guess the easy answer is, is going to probably be the metaverse. Web3, DAOs, that whole space, NFTs, I don't see a lot of traction on that space in 2024 either. I think the challenge is with the cryptocurrency challenges, what's dropped, there's going to be so much regulatory pressure in that space that it's going to tamper down some of the investments.